Welcome. This video is for educational purposes only. It's for the students of Benjamin Franklin School. Now, I'm just looking at this right here, and it talks about listen to a piece of music, reflect on how this new music makes you feel. Do you like it? Why or why not? And don't turn your computer or phone. You don't have to turn it to the side because it's gonna go upright in a second. Anyway, I got to thinking, do you like it? Why or why not? So anything I get back in the packets, I'm going to be looking for not just do you like it and how does it make you feel? Makes me feel bad. All right, well, why? What is it about it that makes you feel bad? Well, look for real reasons. So, you know, maybe the tone, it seems that the tones of the instruments are pleasing, or it seems that the tones are not pleasing. It's, that. Anyway, here's what I got to thinking was, instead of just listening to any old music, I actually went on and I Googled some modern, and by modern I mean in the last maybe 5-10 years, who modern artists who have taken old songs of orchestras or pianos and put them into their modern songs. So I want to specifically state as we do this, I am not saying for the songs you listen to be the modern songs, because some of those are not at all appropriate, for school or anything like that. Um, I'm asking you to listen to the old orchestra songs, because obviously the modern artists liked those old orchestra songs enough that they put them into their new songs. All right, so let's go here real quick. I Googled, something like modern songs that use old orchestra samples or something like that. And I got this. I've never listened to that. I put it in today. I'm not going to listen to it, and didn't actually listen to this. But the point is, these are modern artists who took this old thing that I think is from the 1800s. I'm pretty sure, but I don't think it's the 1900s. I do know it's probably over 100 years old. And they thought enough of this piano piece to include it in their modern music. Let's play a little bit. And what you want to do is you want to pause the video and write this down. And when the video's done, when my video is done, you go on and put this in and listen to the whole thing. It's only 3 minutes. And listen to the whole thing. And then that would be what you write your response on. Here's what it sounds like. Okay, so a few people thought enough of that piece that in their modern times they took it and they added a drum beat to it and made it modern, which is also called sampling, as many of you know. So looking down here real quick underneath Johann Sebastian Bach, Prelude Number 1 in C major. So I went over here and by the way, that is somebody named Zane or Zine, and they did a song called Blue. I don't know it, but if you do, then you would recognize this. Now, sometimes they might take it out of the middle, so I don't know. It gets louder, don't worry. Okay, so now that's another one. When you pause the video, you would copy this down, and then you would put that into YouTube or wherever you listen to music. And then let's go to another one. All right, but you want to play that whole piece and write your response on that piece. And down here we had this Muse drones. I don't really know Muse, maybe you do, but this from 2015. Giovanni Pierluigi da Palestrina. All right, I believe Italian. And over here, there it is. This is what a modern artist borrowed, and they added a drum beat too. Let's see if you can think of a drum beat to go with this. I could. So again, you pause the video, write this down, as much of that as you can. You don't have to do 50. That's when he lived. You don't have to put that down. But maybe you're going to probably want O Magnum Mysterium. Okay, probably, although I didn't put that in. All right, now And once again, you play those videos, listen to a piece of music, reflect on how this new music makes you feel. How does it make you feel? And remember, I'm not asking you to listen to the modern artists, I'm asking you to listen to the old artists that they took from. Do you like it? Why or why not? All right, please focus on those, not just basic answers, but why or why not. Hope you have a great time, and I hope you learned something by hearing something new and different that you maybe heard but didn't hear like this before.